Hi everyone, welcome back to our Grammy channel. Today we're gonna be covering the single leg letters, which last time we covered the legless letters. Those are a part of the Amharic alphabet, so it will help you a lot in your Amharic learning journey. We'll also be giving out some tips and also patterns that will help you out, so stay tuned. The T family.
ተ
T as in turtle.
ቱ
Two as in tooth.
ቲ
T as in tea.
ታ
Ta as in tap.
ቴ
T as in take.
ት
T as in eat.
ቶ
Toe as in toe. The Ch family.
ቸ
Ch as in churn.
ቹ
Chew as in chew.
ቺ
Chi as in cheese.
ቻ
Cha as in chat.
ቼ
Che as in check.
ች
Ch as in eat.
ቾ
Cho as in chocolate. The Ha family.
ሃ
Ha as in hum.
ሁ
Who as in who.
ሂ
He as in history.
ሃ
Ha as in hat.
ሄ
Hey as in hate.
ህ
He as in the thinking sound.
ሆ
Ho as in hotel. The N family.
ነ
N as in number.
ኑ
No as in noodle.
ኒ
Ni as in niece.
ና
Na as in nap.
ኔ
Nay as in neighbor.
ን
N as in on.
ኖ
No as in no. The Y family.
የ
Yeah as in yes.
ዩ
U as in you.
Yi.
Ye as in yeast.
Ya.
Ya as in yacht.
Ye.
Yay as in the fun sound. Yay.
Ye.
Ye as in boy.
Yo.
Yo as in yogurt. The G family.
Ge.
G as in girl.
Gu.
Go as in goose.
Gi.
Gee as in geese.
Ga.
Ga as in garage.
Ge.
Gay as in gate.
Ge.
G as in dog.
Go.
Go as in go. The P family.
Pe.
P as in purple.
Pu.
Pool as in pool.
Pi.
P as in peel.
Pa.
Pa as in pot.
Pe.
Pay as in pay.
Pe.
P as in stop.
Po.
Po as in pot. The G family. The G family doesn't have any representatives in the English alphabet. It's made when you make the K sound at the back of your mouth and still make a popping sound from the back of your throat, which will make the sound K.
Ka. Ku. Ki. Ka. Ke. Ke. Ko.
The Ñ family. The Ñ family also doesn't have any representatives in the English alphabet. When you put your tongue at the roof of your mouth and make the N and Y sound, you make the Ñ sound. combined with wizard little birds coming out of your nose, you can make the nya sound.
Nya. Nyu. Nyi. Nya. Nyi. Nyu. Nyo. Last time, we talked about the patterns for the first three letters of the Amharic alphabet. Today, let's talk about the next four. It's very interesting.
That's correct. The fourth letter usually has a leg on the left side.
Exactly. And the fifth letter always has a ring attached to the right side of its leg.
The sixth letter usually has some type of line on top of its head.
You're right. And the seventh letter always has a ring at the top of its head.
That's correct. And by learning these patterns, you can discover any Amharic letter sound. How do you say
P.
How do you say
T.
How do you say
H.
How do you say
N.
How do you say
Y.
How do you say
G.
How do you say
P.
How do you say
K.
How do you say
N.
Great job, guys. Today we tried to cover the single leg letters. Other than that, we've also tried to cover some patterns. For example, the fourth letter always has its leg on the left side, like ta, cha, and ha. Other than that, we've also seen the fifth letters, which have a ring on the right side, like te, che, and he. The sixth letter always has some type of line on top of its head, like t, ch, and he. The seventh letter always has some type of ring on top of its head, like to, cho, and ho. Learning these letters will help you a lot to predict some other Amharic letters. In Amharic, a single letter could have two different forms. For example, the letter ha. Learning these different forms can help you a lot. For example, the single leg characters could change varying with their forms. When you add a different vowel join, they could be similar. So learning this pattern could make you learn a lot of different letters by learning just one pattern. Don't worry if learning these methods might seem a little hard. The best way to learn is to find a very unique pattern for every character. Keep practicing, keep learning, and know that every step you take puts you a little closer to fluency. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Goodbye until the next video.